Gates open, they're up and racing. Final countdown. Draws for your lead, boss. Pogi is racing in second, moving up on the outside. Glass Cockpit, Royal Family, joint account, moving up by the rail. Dr. Choice, Power Gear. Diamond Laster comes next, then followed by Panamera. Running second last, Mr. G, and Basta is running at the tail of the field as they pass the half-mile pole. Boss Pogi, final countdown, finding back on the outside. Then here comes Glass Cockpit, getting closer and stronger on the outside, improving its position, catching the second spot as they race at the last 450. It's still Boss Pogi, final countdown, Glass Cockpit. Then here comes Dr. Choice joining them as they swing for home. Boss Pogi, Glass Cockpit, Dr. Choice moving up on the outside. Panamera is by the rail and down the stretch and leading the finish line. Dr. Choice now leading the field by about 2 lengths. Boss Pogi, Panamera by the rail, and finally Dr. Choice, Boss Pogi close with Panamera. Then comes Diamond Laster and Glass Cockpit for your Pentafecta.
Numero 4, ang unang